Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. We've been studying question words in our last few lessons. These are also referred to as interrogative words. In this lesson we are going to look at the interrogative ¿de dónde? These are some of the interrogatives that we've studied already in previous lessons. So in this lesson we are studying ¿de dónde? From where? ¿De dónde? From where? Note that in English, the from usually comes after the where and after the verb. So let's look at some examples. If I want to ask the question, where are you from? Notice that the from is at the end of the question here. If I'm using tú, remember also that you have two verbs for to be in Spanish, ser and estar. Ser is used for origin. So in other words, in Spanish, if you want to say where you are from, you have to use the verb ser. So the question using the subject pronoun tú would be, ¿de dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Remember, the subject pronoun is not necessary if you can figure out what it is from the verb form. So eres is the only form of the verb that goes with tú, so the tú is not necessary. So the question is, where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? If I want to ask the same question using usted instead of tú, the question would be, ¿de dónde es usted? ¿De dónde es usted? ¿De dónde es usted? If I want to ask the question, where is he from? I would say, ¿de dónde es él? ¿De dónde es él? ¿De dónde es él? Where is she from? ¿De dónde es ella? Where are you from? Remember, addressing a group of two or more, the question would be, ¿de dónde son ustedes? ¿De dónde son ustedes? Where are you from using vosotros? Remember, vosotros is the plural informal you, which is used primarily in Spain. ¿De dónde sois? ¿De dónde sois? And finally, where are they from? ¿De dónde son ellos? Or ¿de dónde son ellas? That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.